are. Day 4 SHOT Show 2024. Day 4, is that right? Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3. Yeah, day 3. You can start, it gets towards the end, they all start to blend together. But I'm over here with a buddy at Samson Manufacturing. Chris, that y'all are releasing this neat little thing this year. What'd you just call this?
This is called the S.A.S. folding stock.
S.A.S. folding stock. And he had a couple little nicknames for it as well.
Well, sexy ass stock is what we want to call it. So
that's right, and it is. It's something that I think is going to be a big hit for him. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Absolutely. So this guy here is fully manufactured in Keene, New Hampshire. Designed, manufactured, finished. All 100% USA made. What we've got is full adjustability on the fly, both for butt pad and cheek rest. The cheek rest is also reversible. It is a side folder Picatinny mount mechanism. Nice and compact, backpack fit, rapid deploy, integrated steel QDs. 100% solid, and nothing's coming over the sea.
Yeah, and he said 100% solid. That was one thing. I wanted to pick it up and shake it and move it around a bunch, and it is. It's completely solid. I think it's going to be a really big hit, fully adjustable. I think it's going to look really good on a 9mm
Absolutely.
carbine that I have sitting at home, SBR with it.
Yep.
So they can check it out where?
You can check it out at samson-mfg.com. We also released a bufferless receiver extension version of this as well. Picatinny mount mechanism is the same, and that'll take a standard AR stock.
Oh, nice. Okay, you didn't tell me about that.
Aha! I gotta keep something in my pocket.
That's right. Good. Thanks a bunch for taking the time to tell us about it. Check it out on the website for more information.
Thank you.